Yeah, hi. This is the Samsung American-Style Fridge Freezer from the RS8000 range. I'm just going to talk about good and bad things about this fridge on this video. I do have another video on how to use it. Just to be transparent, I did used to work for Samsung, however I have nothing to do with them anymore, and this is my honest opinion about this product. So the good things are, every single shelf has its own vent, which means it's all-round cooling, and the advantage of that is everything is cooled on each shelf, so it does keep your food fresher for a little bit longer, maybe like a couple of days. The ice maker can be a bit awkward, because if you hold the cup up and then press the water, depending on the size of the glass, if it's a skinny glass it goes everywhere. What you have to do is put the cup on the base and then push it, and the water gets straight into the cup. If you hold it up with a thin glass, the water will go everywhere. To use the ice, you have to lift the cup up of the thing and then hold it on the ice part, so the ice goes into the cup. Something that they could have done is to put a removable tray here, so when all the water goes in you can just remove it and wash it and then put it back. These rubber seals come out. You can just take them out, wash them, and then put them back, because sometimes it can get a bit dirty. There is a huge design flaw with this, and it's actually pretty dangerous. The door, when it closes, if you have your other hand on the freezer door, it could actually break your fingers. This is a huge design flaw with this fridge. The door can actually break your fingers if you are like a child or something. It is a huge design flaw, and I'm guessing if a lot of people have this fridge, they would have smashed their fingers. I'm sure if enough people get together, they could actually pull off a class action lawsuit, because it's a flawed design, because you can mash your fingers and you have to be careful. And I'm pretty sure people who have this fridge have actually hurt their fingers. I have hurt my fingers a lot of times. The doors are a little bit heavy, so if you have a child, it might be tough for them to open the door. They are quite heavy, but I'm guessing it's a good thing, as it keeps all the coldness inside the fridge. When it comes to looking after your food, this is an excellent fridge. This is the plumbed in version, so because of that, the water that comes out of it isn't cold. The water just comes straight through the filter to the fridge. I'm guessing what you're supposed to do is just add an ice cube and then put the water in. But in the non-plumbed version, because the tank is inside the fridge, you get cold water immediately. The internal capacity is huge. They use this thing called Space Max technology, which is essentially just widening the inside. I believe this is the biggest American style fridge when it comes to the internal capacity with this dimension. I do have another video which goes into a little bit more detail about this fridge. I will link that down below. Yeah, bye.